Hey guys, Toys Academy here.
Today, Princess Ariel is looking for surprises. She's going to Shopkins Small Mart. Oh, I won the Season 3 Shopkins in a basket with 2 Shopkins surprise inside. I'll get them all. I'll check out now.
Hello, welcome my friend.
We're getting the cash register ready. We have here the bills. The coins. And the credit card. First customer, please.
I'm ready for checkout.
Okay. $5
Plus $5 plus
$5 again.
plus $15.
$15 is your total.
Okay, here's $15.
Thank you. Thank you for shopping.
We're gonna open the surprises now. We're gonna open the first one.
Who it's gonna be?
Yeah, there's 2 Shopkins in there. I'm so excited. Let's see who we're gonna get there. The first one is
Make a little.
Snippy Snip Snip.
Snip, snip. And this is.
It's Susie Sunday. Next one.
Next one. Wait, it's open already. And this is.
Whoa. I think it's Fiona Fries.
We have this one already. Fiona
yeah.
Fries.
Yep. Let's open the next one.
We need the scissors.
Yeah, it's hard to open. Can you see in here? Whoa. It's cherry tomato. Let's see the next one now. Got it?
I need a scissors.
high heel. Let's see.
Her name is
Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills. Colored fuchsia with a ribbon at the back.
Yep, that's turquoise. Now the last Shopkins. I'm so excited to see the last two Shopkins. See this. Oh, it popped.
You need the scissors again.
Okay. Whoa, it's Asbury Raspberry. I know her.
She's color purple.
Yep, and she's a common too, like Beverly Hills. And the last one now. I wonder who it is. So excited. Ooh, I know her. We already have her. Molly Moccasin.
Yes.
She's right here.
Yeah,
A
she's
twin.
there.
It's a twin.
Molly Moccasin.
We have a twin of her.
Yes. A recap for our surprises.
We got Susie Sunday, Fiona Fries, Cherry Tomato, Asbury Raspberry, Beverly Hills, and Molly Moccasin. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more videos.